Hey, I'm Mindy Kinnis. This is the Daily Rage. We are looking at the NASDAQ on a 2 minute time frame, and this was just absolutely perfect this morning. You couldn't ask for anything better than this. Let's take a look at what happened. Okay, so this is the opening candle. Near perfect open range breakout. I mean, it barely, barely went back up into this initial range and then just dropped from there. Love it. And then an almost perfect fib. I'll put the lines on just so you can see that really clearly. If we go from the high point up here to the low point, oh, sorry, this one here, you can see that we came up into this 50 to 61.8 range. We did like just peak above that, but it was just a little spike, all pure wick on that one, and then dropped again even lower. I absolutely love that. Now let's actually pull back and look at a higher time frame. All right, now we're looking at a daily time frame on the NASDAQ, and thankfully, once again, we've had so many dojis recently, one, two, three, all in the last few days of trading. So I'm happy that this one is a full-bodied candle. What you can see though is that we are getting close to this line of support around 23,579-ish, let's call it somewhere in there. That's a nice little shelf where there was a very clear launching point. It went through that line, it came back down and just took off from there. But also, as you can see, we are just hesitating right around that turning line. It's hard to see here because they're on top of each other, but we're just slightly below it with the current price action. So what you're going to want to watch is, will this hold here around this turning line, or are we going to continue to cruise lower? If so, that's going to be your first destination. The next destination is going to be around that standard line, 23,421. I'm Mindy Kinnis. Thanks so much for watching.